Good morning, Junior 4. Today we're going to solve lesson 7, subtracting mixed numbers. Okay, first, example number 1, 4 and 3 over 4 minus 2 and 1 over 4. Now we're going to put the number first on the number line. 4 and 3 over 4 means 4 whole and 3 parts out of 4. Let's put the first number first. I go to 4 and I will take 3 parts, 1, 2, 3 from my 4 parts. So I will put this is my first number. And then we're going to subtract. When we subtract, we're going forward or backward? Yes, we're going backwards when we subtract. So I will go 2 wholes and 1 over 4 and 1 part out of 4. Okay, 2 wholes means if 1 is 4, if 1 whole is 4 parts, so I will go 4 and 4. Now let's go backward. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and another 4. This is 1 and I want 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the other 2 and 1 part from the next 4 parts and 1. This is where I will stop. Okay, this is how to represent on the number line. Okay, I want now to represent my example on the model. I have 4 wholes and 3 over 4, so I will shade 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3 parts from the next whole. Only 3 parts, 3 out from the 4 parts. Okay, and I will take away, I will subtract 2 wholes, so I will cross those 2, and also I will subtract 1 part. So the answer will be 2 wholes, 2 whole number, 1, 2, and how many parts? 2 parts. Okay, now when we do the equation, 4 and 3 over 4 minus 2 and 1 over 4. How I do it? First, I will check. 4 minus 2, it can be? Yes, it can be because the biggest number is here and I subtract from it the small number. I will check again. 3 minus 1, it can be? Yes, it can be. So I will solve it like this. 4 minus 2 is 2. And we put the denominator as it is, 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer is 2 and 2 over 4. Let's see the next example. I have here 5 minus 2 and 1 over 4. First, I will check the number line. I have 5, so I will go to number 5. And every whole must be divided into 4 equal parts. Is it okay here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it's okay. So I will go to number 5 and then I will take away or subtract 2 and 1 over 4. When I subtract, I move in this direction, backward. So I will go 2 wholes. 1, 2 whole number, 2. And 1 part out of the 4 parts. And 1. So I will take away 1, 2 and 1 part. Here where I will stop. And then I will join with my ruler. This is the number line. This is my number line. Okay, let's do the model. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squares, as here 5. But I must divide them into 4 parts according to the denominator. I have here the denominator is 4, so I have divided every one into 4. Okay. Now we can shade or see how we can solve this. I have 5 whole numbers, so I will shade them all. 1 whole, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, then I will take away, I will subtract 2 and 1 out of 4. I will take 2, 1, 2, and 1 over 4 means I will take only 1, this one. So I will do it with the red. This is how we solve the model. Okay, now we will solve the standard equation. 5 minus 2 and 1 over 4. First, I will ask myself, can I subtract whole number and fraction or mixed number? No, I have to change the whole number first into mixed number. So how can I do it? I break this number into two parts. Okay, a whole number and a fraction. So when I break any number, I first do the less than my number by 1. So 5 will become 4. Okay, 5 becomes 4. So I have to put here 1. But I need fraction. How can I put here fraction instead of 1? What is the fraction is equals 1. Any fraction, the numerator equals the denominator, it's equals to 1. Okay, I want the denominator to be 4 like this one. So I put 4, and to become 1, I put up 4. Okay, so this will be 4 and 4 over 4 minus 2 and 1 over 4 equals. We subtract the whole numbers first, and then we subtract the fraction. 4 minus 2, the answer will be 2. And denominator as it is. 4 minus 1 is 3. This is my answer. If I want to check, yes, I will check from the number line here. It's 2 and 1, 2, 3. That's where I stopped. Yes, it's 2 and 3 over 4. Right? And here also 1, 2, I have 2 wholes, and 1, 2, 3 over 4. That's the model. Okay, turn the page. Let's see number B. As we said, we can't subtract fraction or mixed number from a whole number, so I have to break the number into 2. First, I do the number minus 1, which will be 2, less by 1. And what about the 1 remain? I will change into fraction according to the denominator of the second number, 6. So I have to put 6 up to become 6 over 6, which is equals 1. Now I can do the equation. I will do the equation first. The number 3 becomes 2 and 6 over 6 minus 1 and 1 over 6. 1 and 1 over 6. Let's do it. The whole number together, 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. And I put the denominator as it is. 6 minus 1 will be 5. This is my equation. Okay, let's go to the number line. I will check first. The parts, the small part, they have to be divided into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I can draw now. Now I have 3. 3, I will go to number 3, the whole number. Okay, this is number 3. I will start here. And then I will go backward because it's subtraction. How many? 1 and 1 small part, 1 out of 6. 1 and 1 over 6. So I will go first 1 to 2 and 1 over 6. Just one part. So this will be my end. And I will join. The model one, I will shade all the 3. and I will subtract 1 and 1 over 6. So I will subtract first 1, all of it, and 1 part out of the 6 parts, so I will subtract this. Let's do it with another color. I subtract 1 and 1 over 6. So the rest will be 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 6, which is the answer here, so it's right. Okay, let's do it again. Here I have my example C, 2 and 1 over 5 minus 1 and 2 over 5. Let's check in the number line. I divide every whole number into 5 parts according to the denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So first I put 2 and 1 over 5. I go to 2 and take a part. Take 1 over 5 here where I will stop. I will start here. And then I will subtract 1 and 2 over 5. I go backward 1. Okay, I know that 1 consists of 5 parts, so I will count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1. And also I have 2 over 5. 1, 2. This is 2 over 5, so I will stop here and join. Now, according to model, we're going to shade 2 and 1 over 5. Let's shade. The whole 2. And only 1 over 5. 1 from the 5 parts here. So I will take away, or I will subtract 1 and 2 over 5. I will subtract a whole 1 and 2. We can take this one and that one. So the answer here will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts, 4 out of 5, 4 over 5. Let's see here from the equation. First I will see, can I subtract 2? Can I subtract 1 from 2? 2 minus 1, yes, it can be, because 2 is bigger than 1. But if I look at the fraction, can I make 1 minus 2? No, it can't be. So I have to change this mixed number into improper fraction. And we know if you want to change the mixed to improper, we put the denominator as it is, and then we make times, then plus. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 equals to 11. And put the subtraction, minus. And then again, put the same denominator here and change this mixed number into improper with the same way. 5 times 1 is equals to 5 plus 2 equals 7. So when I subtract 7 from 11, the answer will be, after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, the answer will be 4, and 5 will remain the same, 4 over 5. Okay, this is how we do the equation, so I will copy this here. 11 over 5 minus 7 over 5, the answer will be 4 over 5. Number G. I will check first. Can I make 3 minus 2? Yes. Okay, what about 2 minus 1? Yes. Okay, I will solve the whole number together and the fraction together. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. 2 minus 1, 1, and the denominator is 5 as it is. What about here? Here I have 3 as the whole number. Can I subtract fraction or improper fraction or mixed number from a whole number? No, I have to break this number into 2 parts. 1 less than my number by 1, we make 3. What is less by 3 is 2, less than 3 is 2, and 1 remain. Okay, here I will put, according to the denominator, 8 over 8. The equation will be 2 and 8 over 8 minus 2 and 1 over 8, which will be 2 minus 2 is 0. We will not write 0 here, it has no meaning. So I will put 8 as it is, the denominator. 8 minus 1 is 7. The answer will be 7 over 8. Here my story problem. Okay. Hadi had 3 and 1 over 4 cookies. Okay. He gave 2 and 3 over 4 to his sister. So we know that he gave. So he take away from his cookies to his sister. How many cookies does he have left? I will do subtraction. 3 and 1 over 4 minus 2 and 3 over 4. We're going to check. 3 minus 2 can be, yes, 3 is bigger than 2. But if I checked here, 1 minus 3, it can't be. So I have to change my mixed number into improper fraction first. To change this number into improper, I put the denominator as it is, and then I will make times, then plus. 3 times 4, 12, plus 1, 13, minus, I do the same, 4 times 2, 8, plus 3, 11. I put here 11 over 4. The answer will be 2 over 4 left. Okay, thank you.